Hello guys. Okay, let's go and try to get them data back together. How we can do this? Let's go and try it. Try it by appending the data first. First, what we can do, we just wait a little. There's some noises. Okay, now we can go then. What we should do, we should write each data and then append the data to a data frame. How? Okay, let's go and see. We have the def data frame, but all we want from the data frame is what? We need one column. Which column, as you can see, say, let's go. Open one data. The X column, we want the A is equal to X column. How we can get the X column? We can get it like this. It's a big X. Okay, let's make it big. Now if we print A, the A is the column that we want. Okay, now we have the A, but how we can put two columns in each other? We create a list and say, let me just see what is the type of A. Type of A is pandas for X, for I in A. Let me create a list. List.append A or I. Okay, the code is worked, but let's see if it's worked right or not. Okay, this is working the well that could. Now we must put all of this together in a def. We create a def and say putting all data together. I know my writing might be wrong, but it's not important for now. What we should have in our data, we just need this thing. Okay, let's just give them address. Now we need to find a way to fix this address. Let's create a cell here and try to, let me just create the cell down. Let's paste it here and cut this cell. Okay, we want a way to put a data here. How we can do this? Okay, let me just cut it, put a plus here, put a plus here, and then str, not str, let's say s and another plus. Let's say s is equal to, let me make it str, then run it and see there. The code is running perfectly. Now we should put all the thing in a def. Let's say for s we say address and we create a list every time. List.append I, and then what it do? It return the list. But the thing is important, we want to make this def and this def together. to together or not. We need or not. Oh, we need. We don't need to make them together. Okay, let me just test something. No, I tested in the next lesson. For now, just let test our function putting. Let's give it the code. It's run perfectly. It's the end for this lesson. Don't forget to like and